to my kitchen. Today we're going to make scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. I have already prepared all the ingredients we're going to need. 6 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of milk, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, half an onion finely diced, half a cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half, 1.5 cup of baby spinach, and half a cup of grated cheese. And you can choose any cheese you would like. For this recipe, I chose Colby Jack. Make sure you get a whisk and mix the eggs with the milk and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix the ingredients very well. Now let's start cooking. You're going to need a large skillet. Make sure that you turn the stove to medium heat. You are going to melt the butter and then cook the onions until golden brown. Cooking the onions will take about 5 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Once the onions are golden brown, add the tomatoes, the spinach, a little bit of salt and pepper, stir and allow the spinach to wilt. Pour the eggs, and reduce the heat to low. Continue stirring all the ingredients. Now it is time to try our scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. This is gonna be a delicious breakfast. Enjoy. I think it needs a little bit more of salt.